Hi everybody, Dr. Belding here with an update for April 3rd, 2020. I hope this video finds you well and continuing to practice really great social distancing and the different recommendations from the CDC and our state health department and county health department. A big part of that is staying home as much as possible unless you just need to get out for food and to run to the store and things of this nature. But we appreciate everyone's support and everyone's cooperation with that because working together, we're going to be able to keep everybody as healthy as possible and to be able to flatten the curve of this virus. So thank you for that, and let's keep up the great work there. There is a large public service announcement campaign from the state, and we're participating in that as a school district and pushing out information about social distancing, about the best way to wash your hands, disinfecting surfaces, all of that information in order to give you the information that is the best thinking scientifically on the best way to help stem the tide of the spread of this epidemic. So working together, we can help keep each other healthy, and thank you for doing that. A couple of things to our students that have had their activities or seasons disrupted. I'm wearing my Aubrey baseball hoodie today, and I have an Aubrey band shirt on underneath just to show support for our students in those areas. We know that our softball team, our baseball team, the golf team, the track team, our band, UL Academics, all of those groups had their seasons or activities disrupted, and we stand with you and want you to know that we feel for you on that. If we are able to return to school in early May, maybe we can finish out some seasons and play. We'll have to see as things continue to evolve and move forward with this. But we stand with you. A couple of things I want to let you know about. First off, I believe the high school has already announced that prom has been rescheduled for June the 12th, and so we were able to set a date for that. Hopefully, this situation, this health emergency, will have eased up and subsided by that time, and we can have that activity. We're going to continue to monitor very closely, and if we need to make an adjustment to that, we will. But we wanted to give you a date that we can work towards to have a prom and to move forward with that. Also, graduation, we are in the process of researching different possibilities for graduation, setting new dates for graduation in case we are not able to return to school in May. And so we've got a couple of proposed dates, and we're working on with venues for those. If the stay-at-home orders are lifted by those times, we have a date that we've targeted for June and one in July as a third backup. So again, we're looking at those. We are not ready to announce those dates yet because we are reaching out to different venues and different opportunities to be able to host that graduation ceremony, especially in the summer months, trying to find a place indoors so that we are as comfortable as possible. I want to thank our technology staff for manning this help desk and encourage you to continue to reach out to them when you need help from 10 to noon, Monday through Friday. That number for the technology help desk is 940-668-1550. And we want to make sure that our instructional delivery is going just as smooth as possible. And we know that devices or different logins and things like this can be a challenge. And so if you need the help, please call that number. If they don't pick up, leave a message and they will get back to you just as soon as possible. But thank you to everyone for your flexibility and just letting us know how you need the help. Also, with our instructional delivery, we've gotten feedback and we continue to make adjustments based on that feedback. We know that this is a challenging time for everyone, and we are very sensitive to that. So please continue to give that feedback to your teachers, your children's teachers, and also to your campus principals because we are meeting multiple times a week and discussing just the instructional delivery part and then trying to make adjustments based on your feedback and also the feedback we're getting from our teachers on what's working for them and what's not working for them. So we appreciate all of that and appreciate the fact that this is a team effort and we're all working together to best serve our kids during this time. I want to make a quick announcement that you will receive information on Monday on some changes we're making to the meal delivery system. we are working to eliminate or reduce the person-to-person interaction following the recommendations from the health department with the social distancing and things of this nature. And so one of the things that we've already started this week is asking people to pop their trunk or open the hatch on their SUV or their vehicle so we can put the meals in the back. And that way we're reducing or eliminating that person-to-person interaction. In addition to that, we're going to go to a system not this coming week, but the following week of delivering meals on, I believe it's Mondays and Thursdays, where we give 3 days worth of meals on Mondays and 2 days worth of meals on Thursday. So watch for that information on Monday. Next week, we will be delivering meals Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then the following week transitioning to the 2 day a week. So please watch for that information. We want to make sure that our kids are getting the food that they need, and we appreciate all the staff members and community members that have helped to pass out meals at the campuses, but we also want to ensure everyone's safety. And we feel like this is the best way to do that, to reduce exposure and to reduce any spread of this virus. So thank you for your support and cooperation with that, and please watch for that information coming out on Monday. And the last thing, I just want to tell you just how proud of everyone I am, our staff as well as our parents and our kids. We know this is a challenging time, and we know this is a time with anxiety and stress. We also know this is a time for us to step up and to support each other, to serve each other, and to help one another. And I have seen that in so many different ways. And please know, as a school district, we are committed to helping and supporting our students and their families and our staff to help us all get through this time together in a closer-knit community than we were before. Aubrey ISD and the communities in which we serve are special places with special people. And together we will come out of the other side of this stronger. And please know that if you need anything, please reach out to your campuses, reach out to your teachers. We will rally to you the very best that we can. And please know that we are here to help. So thank you for everything you're doing, and let's keep up the great work. Aubrey proud.